So hello friends, today we are going to make a project on scratch.mit.edu. So let's get started. So first you have to go on scratch.mit.edu. You have to click on the plus sign. It will take some seconds to load and then it's loaded. You have to delete the sprite from your screen. We'll take a new backdrop. I think we should use the plain blue sky. And now I'm going to the backdrop option and I'm going to search the lion and the mouse. Now we'll increase the size. So our size is increased. Now we will take a sprite. First we have to go on the backdrop option and we have to search a forest where a lion and a mouse lives. I'll take the jungle. Now I'm going to take the sprites, lion and the mouse. Okay. We'll search for animals. Lion. It's here. Now we will take the another sprite, our mouse. We took the mouse, but the size of the mouse is much bigger. So we'll take the size 48. We'll take 50. And now we'll go on the events. When clicked, looks, switch backdrop to jungle. Now we will rename the lion and the mouse backdrop. We'll go on the backdrops and click on the blue sky too, and we will change the costume like title, so it will be easier for us. Okay, and now I'm going to change the jungle code. Switch backdrop to title like this. Now after some seconds we'll go to the control, wait some seconds and we'll change 3.5. Now I'm going to change switch backdrop to jungle. We'll go to the looks, switch backdrop to jungle. Okay. So here when the story starts, the first it will come like the lion and the mouse, and then it will going to switch the backdrop from the jungle. But I don't want the lion and the mouse in the first stage, first backdrop, lion and the mouse. So I have seen that on the first stage, the title stage, Yeah, on the stage the lion and the mouse are displayed. So we will click on the lion and then we will go into the events. When we click and then we have to hide our lion. Now we'll start from the green flag. So our lion is hidden but our mouse is not hidden. So when clicked to the flag, the lion is hidden in the title also and to the jungle also. So we'll do something like this, that the lion is hidden in the title and shown in the jungle. So we will click on the show, and when the backdrop switches to the title we have to hide, and then when our backdrop switches to jungle we have to show. So we'll go on the events. When backdrop switches to the title we have to hide, and when the backdrop switches to the title we have to hide, and when the backdrop switches to the jungle we have to show. So we'll start from the green flag. Yes, but you have seen that when the title is displayed the mouse is over here, so we'll do the same thing that we have done from the line. I'll click and click to the when clicked looks, it should be hide, and when the backdrop switches to the jungle we have to show the mouse. So now we have to test it. Yeah, it's perfect. So now according to the story, it starts from once there was a lion who lived in the jungle, so the mouse was not there at the time. So we have to do like this. The lion and the mouse. The lion is only here. Okay. So now I will take the next backdrop. I'm taking the forest. So here's my next backdrop. Well, I now want my lion to be in a sleeping position. So now I now want my lion to sleep, and we'll go to the costumes, click on the lion. It's giving that the lion is in 3 positions, but the lion is not sleeping. So what we'll do, we have to sleep. We'll go from the first leg. We have to click on the first leg. We don't have to rotate it. We have to rotate it like this, and then we will shift on like this. We'll all from the legs. You have to shift it up. You can also decrease the size, and you can increase the size of the leg. The last leg I'm going to delete it. So now our the lion is ready for the sleeping mode. Now I just want to close the eyes, so what I will do, I will increase the size, and now I'm going to change the color of the eye in a sleeping mode. So we'll take the brush, and now I'm going to fill You can see a small dropper at the right. I have zoomed the lion. Now I'm going to take the color of the eye. Like this, and I will decrease the size of the brush. I will make some eyebrows. So it seems that our lion is sleeping now. I will change the title and sleeping lion. And for the lion A, I will choose standing lion. Now I will choose the position of the lion. So it should be like this. Go X and now I'm going to duplicate, went back up to this jungle and all the things like this. And I'm going to when backdrop switches to the forest, and I'm going to delete this block. And now I'm going to broadcast a message because I'm not getting the forest. As you can see, like we have tested the lion and the mouse, then the jungle is coming and the sleeping mode. It's all not same. So we'll choose control no, events, broadcast message 1. So I have deleted the block when switches to jungle, and I will switch when I receive a message 1 and switch backdrop to forest. Switch backdrop to forest, and then and switch costume to this. So let's see. It's not perfect. Now I'm going to the motion and go to this, and now I'm going to the control, wait 3 seconds like this, and now let's see. It's showing the sleeping mode all in the jungle one and the forest one. So let's change it. Now this I was saying that I'm going to the looks, switch costume to the sleeping lion in the third one like this. So let's see now. It's switch costume to the sleeping lion. It's not okay. Then we will see. Switch standing lion like this. Now let's see. It's perfect now. So according to the story, there was a lion, and then after a whole day he slept, and the mouse appeared. So I should appear my mouse. I'll go to the control. Wait 3 seconds. I have changed switch back up to the forest, okay, and then show. Now let's see. So I'm wanting my mouse to see the direction in the left side to the lion. So we are going to go for the motion, change the x 2 2 2 2 2 2 2. Yes. Then the scratch minus 143. Okay. 3. And then point in direction minus 90. Okay. Let's see. So I want my mouse to glide over the lion. So I'm going to control with some seconds 1.5 and then I'm going to glide minus 13 and minus 45. So let's see. Yeah,